Hi children, I am Juluri Purushottam God School Assistant Mathematics, ZPHS Aler, Mandal Nelikuduru, District Mohbad. In this session, we are going to discuss about exercise 4.1, question number 8. The area of a rectangle gets reduced by 80 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 2 units. If we increase the length by 10 units and decreases the breadth by 5 units, the area will increase by 50 square units. Find the length and breadth of the rectangle.
Children, this is example rectangle figure. For this rectangle having two dimensions. One is the length and another one is the breadth. Already we know that. So this length I am taking as x, breadth I am assuming as y. That only I am going to write here. Let the length of rectangle is equal to, I am taking as x units, okay, and the breadth of a rectangle is equal to, I am taking y units. Is it clear now? So then the area of rectangle is equal to xy. I am taking as xy. Why I am taking xy? Because the area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. So length means x, breadth means y. X into y, xy I take inside. Yeah. So, but given one condition in the question, that is, children, here condition is the area of a rectangle gets reduced by 80 square units when if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 2 units. Okay, that length is increased. Sir, length is reduced by 5 means x, length means x, no? X minus 5, that into breadth is increased by 2 means y plus 2, that equal to, then area would be reduced by 8. Area is reduced by 8. So just to make them as simplest form, x into y, xy plus, x into y, xy plus x into 2, 2x minus 5 into y minus 5y, minus into plus minus 5 to the 10, that is equal to xy minus 80. So that this xy cancel, then remaining is 2x minus 5y is equal to minus 10 shift that side is become as plus 10 minus 80 plus 10, we get minus 70. This is one of the linear equation in two variables. Is it clear for all? Once you check, Nana? And given the second condition, Nana, if length is increased by 10 units and breadth is decreases 5 units, then area will increases by 50 units is given, the second condition in the question. So that I am taking length is increased to 10 units, means length means we taken x, that x is increased means x plus 10 into breadth, that is y. Breadth is decreases 5 means minus 5, then actual area xy increases 50 units plus 50. See this? Is it clear? Length is increases 10, breadth is decreases 5, then area also increased by 50. So make them as simplest form. x into y xy, x into 5x plus 10 into y 10y minus 15, that is equal to xy plus 50. And what happened, this xy cancel, we get minus 5x plus 10y is equal to, already 50 is there right side, but minus 50 also shifted to the right side, both becomes positives. We get total 100. It will be cancelled by 5 table, 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 20s are. So that we get minus x plus 2y is equal to 20. This is the one of the second equation. Means here already we got the first equation, that is 2x minus 5y minus 70, and here we got second equation, that is minus x plus 2y is equal to 20. So by the help of this verbal information, we got a pair of linear equations in two variables. Is it? Pair of linear equations in two variables. And next, what is our duty? We have to find out the solution. What are the ways to find out the solution? Graphical method, elimination method, substitution method. Now I am following substitution method. Okay, in the substitution method, we have to make them any one of the subject. Example, I am taking this is the subject. How? Minus x is equal to, so plus 2y shift that side, minus 2y, already plus 20 is there, right side only. Multiply both sides with minus, we get this is positive x, this is plus 2y, that is minus 20. Okay, now you treat this is the third equation, and this you substitute in equation 1, or in the first equation you have to substitute. Your first equation is what? That is 2x minus 5y is equal to minus 70. Oh, instead of this x, okay, otherwise I will write here. Instead of this x, we have to write 2y minus 20, and this is minus 5 is equal to minus 70. 2 2s are 4y, minus 2 20s are 40, and this is minus 5y is equal to minus 70. Is it clear for all now? Children, here this is two orbital items. Yeah, 4y minus 5y, both are different symbols. That's why subtract it. Minus 5y plus 4y, we get minus 1y, and minus 40 shift that side, minus 70 plus 40. So we get minus y is equal to minus, what we get now here? Okay, minus y is equal to minus 70 plus 40. We get minus 30. So minus minus cancelled. Y is equal to, we got 30. So we need to get x value. Sir, y is equal to 30. You substitute either first equation or second equation or third equation. Better, this is simplest is there. As we substitute in third equation. Substitute in equation third. Your third equation is x is equal to 2y minus 20. So instead of this y, remove this y, at the place of y, we have to substitute 30. So x is equal to 2 30s are 60 minus 20. So x is equal to 40. X means what? Length. Therefore, length of rectangle, length is equal to 40 units, and breadth is equal to, what we got? Y is equal to 30. So y is equal to 30, that is 30 units. Then is it clear for all? Once you check